Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup corn, full guide. Begin by cutting kernels off the cob and saving cobs for stock, then sweat onions and garlic until soft. Add potatoes or rice for body, pour in 4 cups of broth, and simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes. Finish with cream or coconut milk and season to taste, adjusting salt and pepper slowly for best balance. Use simple techniques to boost taste and texture. Toast a handful of kernels for a nutty note, then return them to the pot. Reserve several whole kernels for garnish and mash some cooked ones with a spoon to naturally thicken the broth. If you want a silky soup, blend half and leave the rest chunky, then finish with acid like lemon juice or a splash of vinegar to brighten flavors. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and fit in your fridge, perfect for transporting soup without spills. They stack neatly and save time when you pack lunches or store leftovers. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a set, they'll make cleanup a breeze. Now let's get back to the video. Explore variations based on mood and pantry items. Add curry paste for an Asian twist or roasted red peppers for sweetness. Swap cream for coconut milk to make it dairy-free and slightly tropical. Garnish with herbs, crispy shallots, or a swirl of chili oil for heat contrast. Portion into bowls while hot and serve with bread or a green salad for a complete, comforting meal that travels well to potlucks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.